Selling below the cost? It happens, it's fast and it's a lot, especially at the POS counter. So let's fix that with one simple module. This module will alert your team before it cuts into your profit. With POS Margin Threshold developed by Doodex, you can define minimum margin per product. If a price falls too low, your POS system will either warn the cashier or block the sale altogether. Let's see how it works on Odoo directly. To install, go to the Apps menu, then search for POS Margin Threshold by Doodex. Then, click Install. Once it's done, you're ready to configure your settings. Navigate to Point of Sale. Then we go to Configuration and then click Point of Sale again. Open your POS configuration and enable the option Blocking Transaction POS. Now, let's go back to our main Odoo dashboard. Head to the Point of Sale, then click on Product. Open any product. In this case, I'm using cabinet with doors. Let's change the margin field and change the value to 30%. As you can see, the minimum sale price is automatically recalculated, and the sale price turns red. This red color indicator is a special Doodex enhancement. It only turns red when the sale price is below the minimum allowed. When we adjust the sales price to a value above the threshold, the number turns black. It shows within the acceptable margin. Let's check it on the POS session. Launch your POS, select the product, and lower the price below the margin. You see, here, the color of the product is turning red. That's the first warning. And if we continue to click payment, boom, a warning appears instantly. If blocking is enabled, the transaction won't go through until the price meets your target margin. Now let's try increasing the sale price. We'll enter a number that's above the minimum sales price. And there we have it. We can continue the payment now. Now, I know if we want to change only one product margin, it's easy. But let's say we have hundreds of thousands products. That will be time-consuming and headache. That's why we developed the mass update margin. So here's how to do it. Go to the cells and click product. Switch to the list view and select the product you want to update. Click Action, then choose Update Margin Cell. Set the desired margin, for example, 30%, and apply. And that's it. All selected products will now follow this new margin setting. It's fast and easy way to stay consistent across your product catalog. Most businesses lose money not from the big mistake, but from small ones that repeat all over again. This model gives you your frontline team a simple tool to avoid the price slip-ups and to protect your margin, of course. Start using POS Margin Threshold by Doodex today. Available on the Odoo App Store. Easy to install, simple to use, and built for real-world retail. If you like to help setting it up or you want to explore more about smart add-ons like this, we're just one call away.